YouTube, working on this RZR. It's my boss's RZR. Slapping these metal door guards on, like the bottom piece right here. So I'm gonna take this thing apart, slap those puppies on. Okay, you got the hardware all set out. That's what they look like on. Looks pretty freaking sweet, actually. Way better than a big old gap right there. Pretty easy to put on. I'll slap the rest of them on. Two down, two to go. Look pretty sweet. That's what it looks like without it. Looks way better with them on. All done. There was these things in the box too. Wasn't sure where they went, but I think I found it. Like, boom, freaking perfect. Nuts on there on the backside, like wraps around the bar, and then there's another one. Goes down to those two, grabs that bar. Working. Mud guards. There it is on. Pretty cool. Fills that hole that used to be right there. It's pretty strong. And if you didn't like that being white, there's a plate right there. You can unbolt, take it off, and it'll be hollow. Or paint it black, whatever color you want actually. That's the little hole that it fills. Pretty good size hole. There it is, all done. All the door panels and this little back panel. Looks pretty good. I still don't know what these go to. Guess I don't need them.